chiropractic adjustment.
No. Okay. Today we're gonna do a chiropractic adjustment.
Today we're gonna do a chiropractic adjustment.
Yay! Okay, Kuya first.
Okay, who goes first?
Oh.
Has a tickle. Relax. Oh, I heard some popcorn there.
Oh. You heard the popcorn?
Yeah, me too.
Oh, very good. You're gonna be taller, Kuya.
Kunk.
Yeah.
Other side, Joshua. Other side. Lower back.
Very good.
Other side.
I love the popcorn, Kuya.
Can you do just the neck? Daddy, for me, just the neck.
It's a good one to adjust. You're good, Joshua.
I just want Daddy to adjust.
Oh, very easy. Yay! Good job. How do you feel, Kuya?
Good.
Very good.
You get some popcorn.
Shh, keep quiet, so we can hear the popcorn. Wow! He's laughing. Do you like it, Jacob? Relax. Whoa. Relax. Whoa. Very good. Yay! Good job. Popcorn.
Yes, Daddy.
Wow. Very good. Good job. Okay.
Abigail's turn.
Next turn, Abigail. You want popcorn too,
You
Ate?
want popcorn or you want tickle?
Okay, ready? Okay, shh, quiet.
And
Oh, that's a lot.
Whoa.
Very good.